Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to buy stuff on Shein with Cash App. So without wasting much more time, let's get straight into the video. So to buy any kind of stuff on Shein with your Cash App, all you need to do is simply tap open your Shein app. So once you tap open your Shein app, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on the cart option. Once you tap on cart, you will end up in this page. So simply select an item and hit the checkout button. After you do so, you need to simply scroll down below and find the Cash App Pay. So simply tap on it and tap on Continue to Payment. Once you do this, you will be redirected to an external link leading you to this kind of interface. So once you're here, you need to simply tap open your Cash App or get your Cash App logged in and follow the on-screen prompts to buy stuffs with your Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.